If you want to know who you are, look at how you are. Actually, who and how are the same word, just move the letters around. And so if you want to know who you are, look at how you are. How are you being in this moment? How am I being in this moment? Am I being loving? Am I being forgiving? Am I being accepting? Am I being encouraging of myself and others? Or am I criticizing them? Am I shaming them? Am I making them wrong? Am I blaming them for how I feel? So forgiveness is something we do for ourselves. So this is a key concept. I had never heard this before. This kind of came out while I was writing the book. This idea that, we're not really forgiving the other person for them. We're forgiving the other person for us. It's something that we're doing for ourselves. It turns out that forgiveness is good for us. It's not about letting other people off the hook scot-free. There are still consequences for their actions. They're still accountable for any harm that they've caused. And when we forgive, we're freeing ourselves. It's a gift that we give to ourselves. So some of the things that happen by releasing negative thinking, it allows us to heal old wounds and mend relationships. If I'm still thinking about what happened to me when I was 5 years old, or when I was 15 years old, or when I was 40 years old, at the hands of another person, I'm not allowing that wound to heal. It's like picking at a scab. It never actually heals. Now again, this is not to say that the other people in our lives have not done harmful things to us. I'm not for a moment discounting anybody's experience where they've been harmed or abused or neglected or whatever by another person. But if that happened 4 years ago or 40 years ago, and I'm still ruminating over that, if I'm still giving that my mental attention, if that's still part of the story of who I think I am, then I'm hurting myself. I'm harming myself. Complaining, regurgitating the past in a negative way hurts us. It's harmful to us. It reopens that wound. And that becomes part of our identity, part of who we think we are. Most people, in my opinion, in my experience, have no idea how much energy they spend all day being annoyed or angry with other people. I can't do both. I can't spend time thinking about how somebody else has done me wrong and being resentful and angry at them, and also focus on my life, focus on my goals, move my life forward. And again, as I said in the audiobook tonight, ruminating on somebody else's bad behavior does nothing to them, but it can easily ruin my day. Now, again, we can take care of ourselves, we can hold other people accountable, we can do what we need to do to take care of ourselves, but we don't have to be mired in resentment and anger and self-pity and feeling victimized by life to do those things. And that's one of the biggest lessons for me, even today, is to understand that I don't have to be a victim or feel like a victim or feel sorry for myself or be resentful of other people to take care of myself.